Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be going one step ahead and we'll be reviewing our bills that gets created in our billing and cost management section. So here on the services, you need to access billing and cost management and then click on bills. Once you do that, you'll be looking at the summarized information, that the estimated grand total that I need to pay for this current month. And here you have the highest estimated cost by service provider. So this is like USD 1.77 and we are using for this service simple storage service, that's S3, and highest AWS medium spend is $2.15 US. That's for US East North Virginia. If I scroll down, you'll notice that the total amount is US dollars 3.17, and down below you'll also get the total tax that I need to pay on top of this. So here you can see that for simple storage service we have 1.77, and the regions for which I'm being charged is also mentioned over here. Then for Route 53 we have this US dollar 1.02, and then for Elastic Compute Cloud we have 0.38 cents, and similarly for CloudFront, CloudWatch, Data Transfer, and SNS, we don't have occurred any charges. So that's the total amount that we need to pay. And here you can see the services that are being used against which I am being charged for. So here under bills, you will be able to explore that. And you also get this option under cost analysis, free tier. If you click on free tier, you will be getting this option, month to date usage. 4 services offers are in use, and service offerings at or above usage limits are 0. And over here you can see that month to date forecasted usage is 0.8%, and month to date actual users is also shown over here. So for these services we are well under the free tier usage limit, and you can see the actual limit as well. So here we have the AWS free tier usage limit, and you have all these limits over here for each of these services. Now, if I take you back to the billing and payments or the dashboard itself, here you will be able to see it in a graphical way. So you can see for October, we have these breakdowns of services, and the highest comes on top, and then you have the remaining services based on their prices. So from higher to lower you will go in this chart. You can see that for AWS S3, we are getting charged for 1.77 US dollars, and then for Route 53, and then taxes, yes to another, Amazon CloudFront and others. So this also gives you a graphical representation, and you're grouping the costs by service. You also have the option by grouping it on account, region, cost allocation tag, or cost category. So that is something which you can just have a bird's eye view, and you can understand what is, making up the most for your bills for a given month. And you also have the option of comparing it by month over month. So you can see that in my case, mostly S3 is what is being charged for, and then the next one in line is the Amazon Route 53. The others are very nominal. So this way you are able to analyze your bills and make necessary decisions based on this. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.